On November 18, 2025, many people around the world suddenly couldn't access ChatGPT. Instead of answers, the page showed error messages or cloudflare notices. But the issue didn't come from ChatGPT itself. Cloudflare, a major internet infrastructure provider, had a large outage. Cloudflare handles traffic, security, and routing for many sites, including ChatGPT. When it goes down, huge parts of the internet slow down or break. According to Cloudflare, the problem was caused by an unusual spike in traffic that triggered failures in parts of their network. As a result, many websites showed errors like 500 messages or a request to unblock challenges. Cloudflare, calm. If you tried to open ChatGPT today and saw those messages, your account wasn't blocked and your internet wasn't the problem. The issue was completely outside your control and happened between your device and the website. This outage affected not only ChatGPT but also many other major services. Because so much of the internet depends on Cloudflare's systems, there wasn't anything users could do to fix it. Restarting the browser or checking the Wi-Fi doesn't solve infrastructure outages. The only real solution was to wait until Cloudflare restored everything. In short, ChatGPT wasn't broken. A large Cloudflare outage caused global disruptions, and once Cloudflare fixed their network, ChatGPT became accessible again.